Hello everyone, today our topic for discussion is modal verbs. Let's have a look towards what are modal verbs. I have written in front of you few modal verbs: will, would, may, can, could, might. These are few modal verbs, and today we will be discussing two basic modal verbs in which can and could we will discuss. So first have a look towards can. What is can and where we can use the word can as modal verb? First of all, our rule is ability or lack of ability in present or future. When we are using, we can use the word can. For example, they can work hard, he cannot dance. It was the first example of our modal verb can, that we are using it while we are highlighting anyone's ability, or we are discouraging anyone, or we can say we are telling about the lack of ability. Here comes the second example of can, that how we can use the can: giving or not giving permission of anything. For example, yes, you can use office, no, you cannot use office. Meanwhile, I mean to say we use the word can for the ability or lack of ability in present or future, or we can use the word can, verb can, in giving or not giving permission. This was the use of can. Now let's go towards the could. So here is could. When we are using could is also same while we are using it as can. Could means ability or lack of ability, but it stands for past, whereas can stands for present or future. So could ability or lack of ability in past. For example, I could not sleep last night. Here last night indicates us about the past night which had passed already. So we are using could. Basically many students are making the mistakes. On the place of could, they mostly use the word can. So could, I could not sleep last night, it means that a sentence is about the past night, which night has already passed. We are using could, not the word, not the verb can. Second example I have written here: making a request. When we are requesting anybody, for example, could you repeat it please? It was a request. It is a humble saying. When we are requesting somebody, we use the word could. Could you repeat it please? While we are using please. The third example is making a suggestion. When we are suggesting something, when we are making a suggestion, for example, we could have fish. These were the topic that we have used can and could for today. Thank you.